Hi, I'm Ruth Lapid. I'm a cornea, cataract and refractive surgery specialist from Amsterdam, the Netherlands. I would like to discuss with you a new concept that we have. It's called the Lapid-Kushlin Defocus Coefficient. When we have multifocal IOLs, we try to describe them in terms of vision far and near, and also in terms of contrast sensitivity and of defocus curve. Now, we all know that everyone can make a defocus curve for their multifocal IOLs, and the problem is that usually the scaling of the graphs are not the same, and also we know that they are most often not superimposed. So for us, the clinicians, it's very difficult to compare two different multifocal IOLs and two different defocus curves. So we wanted to solve this, and one of the methods in which you can solve such problems is to decide that you want to go for the area under the graph. Here I took the same graph and I filled out the area under the graph for one of the lenses. And then we came to the conclusion that functional vision is between +1/2 diopter until -3 diopters, because you can do a defocus curve from +4 diopters, but that's not functional vision. So we want to limit the defocus range that is being used in order not to get a deranged defocus curve coefficient. In short, we limited it to 0 to 3 or 1/2 to 3 diopters, -3 diopters, and then we calculated the area under the graph. And we did this for several types of lenses. And as you can see here, with all these lenses that we tried out on the defocus curves, the newest trifocal IOL, the Panoptix, comes out with a negative defocus coefficient. Why does this lens have a negative defocus coefficient? Because we're using logmar, and the smaller the logmar is, or the smaller or lower the Lapid-Kushlin defocus coefficient is, the best defocus functionality we have of these multifocal IOLs. Now we can also look at a very old bifocal IOL, the AT366D. It was a bifocal IOL with a very near addition point, and you can see that in terms of the defocus coefficient it's quite high. It's the highest in this graph. This means that it has the lowest defocus functionality. Now we can see under here that bifocal IOLs of newer generations and trifocal IOLs more or less function the same. All their Lapid-Kushlin defocus coefficients are 0.2, 0.19, 0.19, which means it's quite good. And also that there isn't a lot of difference between the older trifocal IOLs and the bifocal IOLs. So this may lead us to think differently about multifocality and trifocality or bifocality in multifocal IOLs. In short, what the Lapid-Kushlin defocus coefficient gives us is a single parameter which allows us to grasp within one number how well the defocus functionality of a multifocal IOL is. I hope you will use it a lot. Thank you.